Hey, if you're interested in a computer science degree, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through first, whether a computer science degree is worth it or not. Second, how much money can you expect to make from a degree like this? What type of jobs you can get? And also, how fast can you earn a computer science degree? Yes, you can earn a computer science degree in as little as 6 to 12 months, and I can show you exactly how to do that. If this all sounds good, then let's dive in. Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a two-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you how. All right, so computer science degree. The first thing I want to do is I want to jump over to my computer and walk through what in the world is a computer science degree. And what are you going to be studying? So let's jump over to my computer. You're literally going to be studying computer systems, design software, and a lot of problem solving with computing technologies. Okay, so you've got your information technology degrees, you have your programming degrees, your app development degrees, your cybersecurity type degrees. Computer science is like a deep problem-solving knowledge that kind of encompasses all of these different areas, which is pretty cool. You're going to learn programming languages, computer networks, cybersecurity, data management, artificial intelligence, which is huge right now, and machine learning. Now, I do have a warning, okay? Like I said, this is a problem-solving type degree. So if you don't have an analytical brain that's good at solving problems and thinking through how things work and things like that, this might not be a strong suit for you. Also, I want to point out that there's a good amount of math that comes with earning a degree like this. So if you absolutely hate math and problem solving, this might not be the right degree for you. But if you are good at those things, this is a degree that can lead to a really, really cool career, and you can make a really good income as well. Now, if you're talented and hardworking, you can literally earn $100,000 a year or more within just a couple of years of jumping into the industry. Now, you can earn even more if you're willing to relocate to a more tech-centric or tech hub type city. So there are big companies in the tech world that focus and are based out of specific cities in the United States. If you're willing to move to one of those cities, you can get an even higher paying job and basically lead to a more lucrative career. Now, like I said in the beginning, you can earn a computer science degree in as little as 6 to 12 months. And you can do this while working a full-time job. You can do this while having a family to support and basically do your schoolwork on the side and still get it done in under a year. Now, I want to dive into specific jobs that you can get if you have a computer science degree. And you're going to see, why this is such a cool degree, because there are seriously so many different avenues you can take with computer science. So first, data science. You can be a software tester. You can be a web developer. You can be a system analyst, a business analyst, a network architect, a software engineer, and basically build software from scratch. Software developer, a full stack development or a developer, an engineering manager, a user interface designer, database administrator, cloud computing engineer, information security analyst, a computer science professor, a chief information security officer, software quality assurance manager, information technology specialist, mobile application designer or developer, research and development scientist, computer scientist or computer science researcher, artificial intelligence, and machine learning engineer. And this is literally like I've done research and just tried to find lots of different variety of jobs you can get. There are more. It does not stop here. computer science is a really popular degree right now. And it's definitely like in the top 10% of income earning degrees at this given time, because I mean, the technology advancements in our day and age are they're just insane. Like, technology just keeps getting better and better and better. Computer science majors can get jobs basically developing technology or doing analysis or doing research. I mean, there's so much different, and so many different avenues you can go with a computer science degree. Now, I want to talk about who I would recommend get into a degree like this, okay? There are certain people who they say, I want to work in the tech world, so I'm going to get an IT degree, or I'm going to get a cybersecurity degree, or I'm going to get a software development degree, okay? If you want to be in the tech world, this is a degree. The computer science degree is a degree that can give you a deep level knowledge about technology in general, okay? Now, a mistake that people can make is if they say, okay, I'm going to go into IT. If they've never had an IT job, well, what happens is you go to school, get an IT degree, go get a job doing IT, and what if you don't like your job in IT? What if you don't like that career? Well, you're kind of stuck because you have an IT degree. Same with cybersecurity. You go get a cybersecurity degree, you can get stuck in a career. If you don't end up liking working with cybersecurity, you can get stuck. If you know you want to get into the tech world, okay? You know you want to work with technology, but you don't know which avenue you want to take. Computer science is a really, really good degree because it can open so many different doors. You can work in IT, you can work in cybersecurity, you can work in software development, you can do programming, all sorts of stuff like this. And the cool thing is, when you get a deep level understanding about how everything works, if you're talented and you can solve problems and I guess make a difference in the company that you work for, degrees like this can lead to really lucrative careers and job promotions and pay raises, and you can become a really valid asset to a company. So it's something that, and yes, with any other degree, you can get a computer science degree and be subpar at your job and not willing to work hard, and you can have a mediocre job just like any other degree. But if you have a degree like this and you're actually good at what you do and you're hardworking, it's really, really lucrative. You can get some really, really good jobs. So computer science is really, really highly respected among employers in the tech world. They esteem these degrees very highly. But as always, I always recommend, if you have a specific job that you're trying to get or a specific company that you want to work for, reach out to them and ask them what type of degree they are looking for. And that can help you make a degree choice as well, because you don't want to get a degree and then try to go to apply for the dream job and it's the wrong degree and you didn't study what your potential employer wants you to study. So yeah, do your digging, do your research, find out what types of jobs you're interested in. And if computer science can open all those different doors for you, I would absolutely say dive in. It's a really, really fantastic degree. Now, earlier on, I mentioned you can earn a computer science degree in as little as 6 to 12 months. And you might be thinking, how in the world can I possibly do that? Well, it's simple. Colleges and universities, they've structured their programs so that it will take you 4 to 6 years to earn a bachelor's degree. The reality is, though, you don't have to follow their laid out program to earn a college degree. All you have to do, and there are tons and tons of programs that allow you to do this all across the country, but essentially what you do is, instead of doing what the teacher tells you to do and doing the homework and the quizzes and group projects and reading from textbooks and all that stuff, you simply figure out what you need to learn and you learn it, And then you take a test for each class. And if you pass the test, you are done with the class, you earn credit for it, and you move on to the next class. This is basically the process of testing out of your college classes. Now, there are a couple of different ways to do this, okay? There's a way called degree by examination. That, in my opinion, is the harder of the two ways to do this. Strategy number 2 is to find a school that allows you to test out of classes through their college, which is called a competency-based education program. And then essentially you don't do what the teachers tell you to do, and you self-study your way to earning that degree. Now, that might sound difficult, but I promise it's so much easier than the alternative. I actually dropped out of college twice using the traditional classroom-based approach, and then I went back again and used a process that I call degree hacking. And I used this process to test out of my classes and ended up earning an entire bachelor's degree in just 9 months. I went from making $12 an hour trying to struggle to feed my family to having a college degree and qualifying for my dream job. And I did it in literally 9 months. If you're interested in that process, what I'm going to do is down below the video, I'm going to leave a link where you can watch a free video like this, where I literally walk you through the exact 3-step process of degree hacking. And that way you can test out of your classes and you can graduate a whole lot faster and save a lot of money on tuition. So if you're on your smartphone, you need to tap on the video title, and then it will open up the video description, and I will leave a link there. If you're on your computer, just scroll down a little bit. The video description is right down below. I hope the training, it helps you. It's absolutely free, no strings attached. You can literally just go watch it and learn the process of degree hacking for yourself. So click that link if you want to watch. Now, if you like videos like this where I teach how to earn your college degree faster and how to save a whole bunch of money on tuition, just subscribe to the channel and you'll start seeing more videos just like this. And don't forget to like the video as well. That helps my videos be shown to more people so that we can, I guess, show people how to earn their college degrees faster. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I will look forward to talking to you soon, and I'll see you in the next video.